welcome back, boys and girls. So, we're dry now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attack this with just a drill and a wire brush. And blast off as much of this surface as I can. If I have to get a little bit more rough, I will, but I don't want to penetrate too much because it literally is just surface crap. So that is what we're going to do. Yeah, I'm going to work my way down. Clean all this. Yeah, much as we can. Just wire brush on a drill or even on the grinder, and we'll get that done. Oh yeah. Right people, we're cleaned, de-rusted. Now I'm going to use this stuff. Hammerite Rust Beater. Everyone says it's rubbish. But you have to understand what it does. Rust can only thrive when it's got moisture. This stuff seals it and absorbs the moisture. That's how it kills the rust. It doesn't kill the rust as you put it on and the rust disappears. It stops the rust from getting worse, if you get me. It's like it just stops it dead, then tries to heal it by pulling the moisture out of it so it can't carry on growing. That's what this stuff does. There's also a gel which comes with it. And what this does, rust remover gel. Now this actually eats the rust, so that will actually dissolve the rust. Like a chemical, like a caustic chemical, it dissolves the rust, which will leave you with a bare metal. This is not in any need of that, because this was applied before. That's why it's sat in a field for 3 years, with grass growing up past here. And the worst bits really were the scratches, which I've had to sort of flatten out where it's been bottomed out. What we're going to do is put this on the areas that had a little bit of surface rust. I mean, I've pretty much got it all out, but it's still there. Do you know what I mean? So this is preventative, not needed. I could just primer it and paint it, but preventative. Stick brush, and you literally just feed it in. It smooths itself out as well. But we haven't got to do the whole floor. It's like it rusted here where the spot welds were that hold the sills on. Give it a bit of a coat. And this stuff will help. Don't get me wrong, you can go out and you can spend loads of dough and get your car restored. And you know, you can be scared to bloody use the thing because you've just spent bloody 20 grand. Or you do what I do, get them working and enjoy it. Right, I'm going to carry on with this. Does anyone else ever get carried away? So I went from just sealing the rust to painting any spot of bare metal that I could see. The only thing I can't do is to seal the other side and the other wheel arch. But now, people, we've got to wait for this to dry. It does need a little bit of body burr, but still solid. So we're going to leave that to dry. And then once that's dry, we're going to put a can of primer over this, just so it's another layer. And then it's all going to go black. Once you go black, you never go back. Right. Give you a quick look a bit closer. Whoop, sorry. So yeah, everything's covered. There's no holes, there's no real big rust anywhere. Well, apart from... So you've got that one there. And there's that. I think there's a hole. It's still solid though. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get to it properly from the inside. But it's all done. Painted the beam. All the spots. Did the bit there with the tyre, rubbed it. It's all proper solid. I mean, look, you still got all the perfect lines of the panels. There's no big rust anywhere. Once it's primed, you can really see how good it is. Yeah. So we've got the arms to do. 1 and 2. These will be really nice just after a bit of a clean up. I think anyway. Shiny, shiny. Right. That's pretty much all we can do for a minute. Let's go and have a cup of tea and let it dry then, shall we? Right, people, we have got some good coats on there now. So that's been cleaned. That anti-rust paint, normal primed, and it's probably, I can't remember how many I recorded, it's probably about 6 coats on there. And that's just to seal it up. Beam axle's been painted, all around this back's been done. So yeah, I think that's going to do, to be honest, for what I need it for now. It's exactly the same as what I did how many years ago. 2013 this was in here. Have a refresh. I know it's not that warm in here, so the paint's not going to have a bit of a shine to it, but I'm happy with that. You'll do. Right, thanks for watching, people. See you in the next one.